This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout, and this is the episode you have all been waiting for. We're shooting film, and we have Taylor Jackson.
And a Holga.
And a Holga.
They say it's not the camera, but the photographer that makes a great image. So what actually happens when you take experienced photographers and give them entry-level or outdated gear? Get ready to find out. I'm going head-to-head with photographers with inexpensive photography equipment that we normally wouldn't use. This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout.
This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout, where the two of us go head-to-head with gear that we normally wouldn't use, and this time we are shooting film. Right now we're at WPBI, which is where all of us YouTubers collab together. I am shooting with the Canon AE-1, which Taylor actually gave me. So it's like full circle. It's full circle.
And it was also in Las Vegas.
It was also in Las Vegas.
All coming together.
Yep. See, what do you got?
I have a Holga. It is a white Holga. We're going to call this the wedding edition. So I dropped it earlier today. I haven't used this camera in about 10 years. It seems to still be functional. There's no battery or anything.
And we'll
but
find out
when you
in 3
dry
weeks,
fire
right?
it, I think it's going to be fine. I'm not too worried.
That's the fun thing about film. You find out in 3 weeks if you have anything good. I am using Cinestill tungsten. This is a color film. It's kind of meant for low light, but we're going to shoot outdoors anyway because we can. What do you got?
I got some Tri-X 400 medium
Classic.
format, and I brought more. To buy a roll of this and to develop and scan it costs more than this camera. So that's what film photography is in 2023.
That's exactly what it is. You know what's popular now though that I have to start doing? The little point shoot power shot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've collected so many of them.
I'll be doing that next.
Stock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right through the roof. All right, let's load these.
I
Do you need to be on the floor? You don't know how.
I might.
Get excited, people.
This is much more elegant than what I can get up to.
Really? Oh, this is where we figure out if I need a battery in here, which I'm sure I do.
Oh.
Yes, I do. Wait. Got it. What once was elegant is now ridiculous as I try to take a battery out with one hand here.
Use my Holga as a table. Free table.
That's the thing about these cameras, by the way. If you are buying them or you have them and you think they're broken, they're probably not broken. They just need a battery like every day. That's why it's even more expensive. Okay, now remember to always advance it 3 frames to make sure that you're exposing on stuff. Okay, you go.
All right, I need a table.
Here.
I'll just be over here. Lots of light leaks, as you can see that this kind of goes on, but it kind of doesn't really. So if you're in hot sun, it is unfortunately gonna let some light in, or fortunately, if you're looking for something a little bit more random. And I got some 400 Tri-X medium format film, which means Vanessa is going to get 36 frames, and I'm going to get maybe 12. So here we go. Kodak Professional. Here we go. It's great. Load up the arrows. And I've set it to 12 frames, which means it's square. I'm ready.
My model has not shown up, so we're gonna shoot each other instead. All right, so getting the exposure here, we have to first set the camera to 800 ISO. Now it's not actually setting the camera, it's reminding me what I have in there, but also letting the light meter know what to balance for. I then set my shutter speed, which I'm pretty bright out here and I have 800, so I'm gonna go to 500. And then what you do next is you look through here and there's a little light meter on the side going up and down telling you where your f-stop should be at. Right now, if I'm on all white, it says my f-stop should be 5.6, but of course that's measuring to gray, not my white wall, so that means I probably need to open it up and shoot somewhere around, I don't know, 3.2? So that's what I'm gonna go with.
In mine, there's no battery, you hit the button.
You just hit the
That's it.
button, and that's it.
You get button. You have a little slider here. This is for your aperture. You can either go to f8 or f11, and it's a approximate. And your shutter speed, depending on how it's manufactured, it could be 1/100th of a second up to about maybe 1/200th of a second. And then you load the film in for environment you're in. So you basically just pick your ISO based on if you're going outside or inside. Film, it's fine to overexpose by a lot of stops. So 400 speed film, I'm gonna set it to f8. So f8 is great.
And that's a film thing, right? You can overexpose a lot more than you would versus like digital. It's better to underexpose. So just a little nuance.
All
so I'm gonna photograph you.
With my Holga?
I think yes. Let's get artsy. So go like this, turn that way. Yep. Stick the jawline out. You know the deal. Now focusing. focusing sucks because you actually have to look through, and as you manually focus, you like kind of, there's a split line in the middle and you have to line it up to get the focus right. So if you have bad eyesight, you're just shit out of luck. All right, stay there. I'm gonna get more artsy with you. Need to be higher.
Safety first.
Safety first. That's better. And don't blink. 1, 2, 3. And then look all the way to your left. 1, 2, 3. Cool. I want to go, I need some color, I think, because we got, do you want to shoot here and then we'll go to a color place?
Sure. All right, my focusing is kind of zone focusing. I have a picture of a single person, a group of people, and a large group of people in a mountain. So depending on how far away, if I'm about here, I'm gonna say you're a single person, and then family, maybe a couple steps back, and then mountain. I don't know. I have to advance the film first. So I have to spin this until it says 1 here. There it is, 1.
Nice.
All right, frame number 1. There's nothing been more hipster, I think, than shooting
Film.
an AE-1 with Vanessa and then also with a Holga. It's a little too much. All right,
That's a slow advance, too.
we're gonna go for the family distance. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go for a bit of a wider one here.
Here, I'll give you more room.
The viewfinder on this is also a suggestion, so you don't really know. You kind of have an idea.
Because the parallax error, if you will, people,
Yeah.
if you want to look that one up.
Or it's just been made incorrectly because it was literally manufactured to be a toy. So I'll get the AE-1
Here,
photo.
hold on. Then Vanna white it a little more.
Such Vanna. Perfect.
Cool.
All right.
Do you want to go green? I feel like I want like maybe that greenery over there.
Yeah.
Is that okay? All right. Let's go green. So what I'm thinking you'll do is you're gonna like, you'll be holding the camera like looking that way and just kind of rock back and forth
All
because
right.
that we get a little movement. Maybe bring your hands down. Maybe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you feeling it now? So
Oh, yeah.
go maybe that way with your direction of your.
Okay.
Yes, give me pensive. Give me, I'm a hipster. I need to have my camera near me. Oh, come this way because there's like a light and it looks less hipster authentic living on the edge. Yep, right there. Cool. Look down at your camera and then bring it up to your face. Take a pic. All right, let's get some shallow depth of field nonsense real quick. And you are going to go in the bushes.
This is a very Sam Hurd photo all of a sudden.
I know. It is a very Sam Hurd photo.
This is copyright Sam Hurd, sorry.
Okay. Look down like you're just looking at it. Yeah. Yeah, I keep wanting to do this. Like I can see from here.
Bring my
'Cause
fully
you're
articulating
taller.
screen from my Canon R5.
Yep, pretty much. And then look at me. And then you have to do one just slightly less pissed off at me. Just you wait till my shutter clicks and then you give me the real smile. And turn that way a little. Let me see your good side, bad side. Here, go this way. You're gonna go that way? Yeah, that is your good side. Ooh, the sun came out. Wait, come this way, come this way. It's here, it's here. That's perfect. And then look towards me. You can laugh at me. Nice. I like it. Definitely overexposed for sure, but I'm at 1,000 on my shutter speed and that's as high as it goes.
All right.
What you want to do?
You ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to be?
Here?
You can be here. I'll do half
This way?
half tree, half face. So you can face me this way.
Oh, I like this.
The other issue is that my viewfinder is separate from the film. So even if I'm trying to compose something, I have no
It
idea
might
if
not
it's
be.
actually correct or
Yep.
not. Do you want to just hang out here by the tree and I'll just get a mountain? I'll go
I like
all the way
that.
to mountain
Go mountain.
and I'll get this wide shot. Also, it's square, so it doesn't matter what way I go here. Do the exact same thing, but move like 1/2 step this way, just so you're centered in the tree. That's good right there. Perfect. All right.
Sweet. Well, I'm at 12 frames, so I feel like, to be fair,
I have
I'm just
11.
going to shoot
Okay.
12 frames.
So we shoot 12?
Right? All right,
Okay.
I'll do one more of you, though. Can you lay on here? I'm going to shoot above you. We're going to shoot the that typical... Yep. You got to, like, put your hand up at me. Yeah.
Let me know and open my eyes because it's bright.
Okay. And hold on, I have to be at F4. Okay. And go ahead. Oh, you know, it's fun. I'm putting all my hair in the foreground. No, I'm serious. It's great.
All right, give me a countdown.
I will. Takes an hour to focus. And 1, 2, 3. Cool.
Do we want to we can replicate the Sam Hurd in the bushes?
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
find
do
your
it.
favorite area of the bush to be within.
I think.
Oh yes, this will be perfect. All right, and you can even look up this way a little bit.
I don't do serious well at all.
Perfect, maybe. All right, last frame, I think. I think I should do a lot of different exposures here. So we're gonna start with.
Good call.
So we'll start down here. All right. Beautiful.
See how it goes.
There it is.
In 3 to 6 weeks, we'll be back.
Well, I have to make sure that this film rolls properly.
Yeah, keep going.
Before we get any further in this video, let me tell you about this video sponsor, Squarespace. I have been using Squarespace for probably over a decade. Squarespace is a platform where you can create beautiful custom websites in just a few minutes. Choose from a plethora of templates where you can easily plug and play your own work. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. We all know that an online presence is crucial for your brand, so build one that stands out. Head over to this link for my exclusive 10% discount on your first domain at Squarespace. Now back to the video.
We're going to take a look at these photos. We're going to show you what we shot, show you our favorites, and then you can vote down below what you like, who won this competition. Not that it's a competition, we just have fun here, but hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you next time, and make sure you check out Taylor Jackson's YouTube channel as well, and his brand new book, Weddings After 1,000 Weddings.
Yeah,
What was it?
it's a lot of weddings.
That's a lot of
Wedding
freaking
photography
weddings.
after 1,000 weddings.
Yeah, wedding photography after 1,000 weddings, and he's not even great. It's amazing. Bye.
It rolled.
It rolled.